Question number 30 will be given if A matrix equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. This is the matrix of 3 by 3. Why? 3 rows and 3 columns. So that you can show AQ minus 23A minus 40I equal to 0. The equation will be given AQ minus 23I minus 40I equal to 0. देखिए एबे ए मैट्रिक्स गिवन अच्छी 3 by 3 ऑर्डर ए क्यू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ ए क्यू ए मैट्रिक्स विल बी गिवन यू कैन फाइंड ए क्यू टू फाइंड फर्स्ट टू फाइंड ए क्यू वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट वैल्यूज ऑफ ए स्क्वायर मीन्स ए मैट्रिक्स इंटू ए मैट्रिक्स तो ए मैट्रिक्स विल बी गिवन 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 and also again A matrix will be 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 the matrix of 3 by 3. Now you can multiply row into columns so that's 1 respective element first with first, second with second, third into third. Then find the values of a square. It is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. Again first row multiplied with second column, that is 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Again first row multiplied with third column, that is 1 into 3 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Again second row multiplied करिवो सेमिति कॉलम रे फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड कॉलम थर्ड कॉलम केमती रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट फर्स्ट विथ फर्स्ट सेकंड विथ सेकंड थर्ड विथ थर्ड, दैट इज अगेन 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Again 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Again second row multiplied with third columns, that is 3 into 3 plus 3 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. खातर देखिकी लिखिब कलम वाइज एटा गोटे कलम ये गोटे कलम ये एतिक गोटे कलम एतिक आउ गोटे कलम्स ये गोटे कलम्स तो रो मल्टीप्लाई कर कलम रे लेखा अलग कलम रे पुणी फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई सेकंड कलम रे सेकंड कलम रे लिखिब पुणी फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई थर्ड कलम रे लेखा जीवो. So that again 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Similarly second column 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Again third column 4 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now you can solve simply added the numbers and find the matrix of a square. Again we can find the AQ. AQ means a square into a matrix, so that you can find the square values and matrix, and with again multiplied with a matrix of 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1. Now that value will be AQ. Question will be we can prove given देजे prove करवा कौन ना AQ minus 23A minus 40I. I means identity matrix of order 3 by 3 matrix, so that AQ हम तो पाई जाइथवा AQ रा वैल्यू minus 23A रो मैट्रिक्स लिखिबा 1 2 3 4 minus 2 1 4 2 1 minus 40. I means कौन identity matrix with respect to a matrix. Identity matrix with respect to a matrix means a matrix of order 3 by 3, so that our identity matrix is also a 3 by 3, so that 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the now this is the our equations, and solve the equations. How to solve? Minus only minus करिबो. Now question number 31, given that question number 31, simplify. You can simplify 31. Even x y z matrix into matrix A H G H B F A H G H B F G F C into x y z. सिंप्लीफाई करिबा कौन कहि ना एक्स वाई जेड मैट्रिक्स इंटू ए एच जी एच बी एफ जी एफ सी इंटू एक्स वाई जेड. तीनटा मैट्रिक्स को आम कौन करिबा ना गुणन करिबा एंड सिंप्लीफाई करिबा. अच्छा, एक्स वाई जेड of matrix order is 1 by 3, then second matrix of order 3 by 3 due to 3 rows and 3 columns, and third matrix of order 3 by 1, 3 rows and 1 column. Now we can multiply first दीटा मैट्रिक्स आम गुणन करवा, देन थर्ड मैट्रिक्स सहित गुणन करवा रिजल्ट. सो दैट फर्स्ट एक्स वाई जेड मल्टीप्लाइड विथ column wise, the first row into column, and respective element are multiplied. It is x into a x plus b h y again g z plus g z. फर्स्ट रो को मल्टीप्लाई कले आम क्या सहित कलम सहित. अगेन सेकेंड कलम को मल्टीप्लाइड करवा फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कलम, दैट इज एक्स एच प्लस बी वाई प्लस जेड एफ. अगेन थर्ड कलम सहित एक्स जी प्लस एफ वाई जेड प्लस जेड सी into last matrix will be x y z. Now we can solve. This is the matrix of order 1 by 3, and the order of this matrix is 3 by 1, so matrix multiplication will be possible. Row into column with respective elements are multiplied, that is first with first plus second with second, third with third, so that ax hy zg multiplied with first, so a s square plus h xy plus g xz plus second with second, that is x y h plus b y square plus z f y plus x s square, x into x s square, sorry, third with third, that is x z g plus f y z plus z square c. ना कंप्लीट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन कौन कले ना फास्ट विथ फास्ट एक्स टा मल्टीप्लाइड कर आ सहित देन वाई टा आ सहित जेड टा आ सहित रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट आर मल्टीप्लाइड नाउ to simplify the elements that is s square plus by square साइड को चेंज कर दबा प्लस सी जेड स्क्वेयर नाउ एच एक्स वाई again here also h x y plus g x z साइड कर दो g x z प्लस g x z प्लस f y z and f y z plus f y z now s square plus by square plus cz square plus hxy that is 2hxy plus gxz 2gxz plus fyz and fyz that is 2fyz. Now simplify the matrix multiplications. This is the answer of first देखो xyz into this matrix will multiplied with this matrix again that matrix that is x row with column respective element with respective elements that is x with a y into h z into similarly x into h y into b z into f similarly x into g y into f and z into c the matrix into x y z again multiplied with this matrix will be this matrix that is 1/3 of order that is 3/1. Now we can multiply it and find this matrix. The solve of this matrix. Again question number 32. Will be given if A and B are the matrices of same order and AB equal to BA, then put A square minus B square equal to A minus B into A plus B. First question को कौन जदि दुटा मैट्रिक्स ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर रे थिबे दुटा मैट्रिक्स कौन रहिबा सेम ऑर्डर रे रहिबे देन हम प्रूव करबा ए बी मैट्रिक्स इक्वल टू बी ए मैट्रिक्स. First question will be given a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b and a and b are the same order matrix and condition will be given a b equal to b a so that we can prove by RSS side will be taken a minus b into a plus b equal to multiplied करिबा हमें a into a plus a into b minus b into a minus b into b a into a square plus ab minus ba minus b square. Our condition also given ab equal to ba हेबे if a and b be the same order यदि सेम ऑर्डर रे हेबे ताले ए बी इक्वल टू बी ए आमे लिखि पारिबा सो दैट ना ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी ए जगह आमे लिखि पारिबा कोन ए बी माइनस बी स्क्वायर. Now ab minus ab plus ab minus will be cancelled. A square minus b square. Proved. so that a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b will be happened if a be with the same order and a b equal to b a. So that we can prove taking the RHS sides a minus b and a plus b, so that multiplied algebraic way it is a into b minus b into a, b into b. When a into a means a square, a b, b into dot a, b a minus b square. Due to our condition also given a b equal to b a, so that we can write down in the position of b a, we can write down a b. So plus a b and minus a b will be cancelled, so that our answer will be a square minus b square. Our condition will be proved. Second build will be given. Now a square minus 2ab plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab minus plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Condition also given a b with the order of same order and a b equal to b a. A b equal to b a. Then we can prove a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. So that we can also prove by RHS sides like a plus b whole square equal to a plus b into a plus b written, and a plus b into a plus b, that is a multiplied with a dot a plus a into b plus b into a plus b into b. A into a means a square, a b, b a को आम लिखि परिबा a b due to condition will be given a if a and b be the matrix of same order, so that a b equal to b a. It is also written as a b plus b into b, that is b square, since our the condition. So a square plus ab and plus ab, that is 2ab plus b square. So satisfied. Now थर्ड बिटा को तुम निजे घरे प्रैक्टिस करिवो ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. अगेन 33 numbers. If alpha and beta with a scalar